Hello traders, Bank Nifty 1 minute chart, March 2nd, weekly option expiry day. Daily basis, live market, automatically calls will be generated in this chart. Today after 12:25 sell call generated. First target is a 100-point target, second target is 200 point. Daily basis in 1 minute chart, the chart will analyze the candle movement. According to market trend, calls will be generated in live market. Today downside breakout, so sell call generated. After sell call generated, market was in flat momentum and in a pure sideways only. After 1:30, due to European market opening, we have received some good volume and some good movement in the market. After 1:35, the first target range is breakout and market started to move in the downside. So second target also reached during this momentum only. Like this today sell call breakout the target. If you want to subscribe for this chart, just send me a hi message in WhatsApp. We will provide you the subscription plan detail. If you feel like it, you can subscribe for it. Thank you.